So what's the best light beer based on taste alone? Let's find out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a taste test of these light beers. These are the most popular light beers sold in America, and we're gonna taste test each one just to see which one is the best on taste alone. No advertisements, no commercials, no way the can looks, none of that. No stigmas. We're gonna strictly look at the taste only and see which one tastes the best. All right, so this is the order that I think they're gonna go. I think Coors Light is probably gonna be number 1. I think Bud Light will be number 2. I'm thinking Michelob Ultra, number 3. I'm gonna think Miller Lite, number 4. And then I'll go Keystone, number 5. And I will go Natural Light, number 6. That's what I think is gonna happen. But who knows what happens when I just base it on taste. So let's get that started. So here's what we're gonna do. My wife's gonna help me out with this. She's gonna number some cups, 1 through 6. I will not know what is in the cups. I'm gonna taste test them all and I'm gonna rank them from the best to the worst. And then we'll have a reveal and see which one is the best when we just look at taste, and that's it. All right, so here we go. We got them lined up 1 through 6. I do not know which beer is in which one. I'm just gonna taste test them all, and I'm gonna put them in an order right here on this piece of paper, and then we'll reveal them. Just going by looks, I mean, they all kind of look the same. I'm not really worried about looks. I guess number 1 looks a little lighter, but it's so hard to tell. Maybe number 5, but we're gonna go with taste and taste alone. So here we go. Oh boy, this is gonna be tough. Number 5. Are you sure these are all different?
Yes.
I don't know, guys. And number 2 tastes very watered down too. Maybe that's just a thing. Light beer is just watered down, because this tastes very watered down. So I think I'm gonna put 6 as the worst. And I'll put 4 at number 5. Ugh. Yeah, I think 6. Man, I think 6 is bad. Yeah, 6 is not good. Let me try these again. All right, so it's between 1 and 5, I think. Man, they taste almost the same. I'm gonna put number 1 at 1 and number 5 at 2. Okay, so that's my order. Number 1 being the best, number 5 being the second best, number 3 being the third best, number 2 being the fourth best, number 4 being the fifth, and number 6 being the worst. I think the first 4 all kind of tasted the same. I think 4, or in the last 2, had a little bit of different taste to them, which I don't necessarily think I liked, but I could be surprised. This is gonna be a shock for me. So here we go. I'm gonna have my wife bring them out and we're gonna reveal them. Here we go. All right, so we're back. I do not know the results. These are in the order that I picked them, and we are gonna start from the worst and go all the way to the best. So let's start with number 6, which I thought was the worst beer. Miller Lite. I kind of knew Miller Lite tasted different, and I'm not surprised. So if you're looking for the worst light beer, that would be Miller Lite. The second to worst beer I had was number 4, which is Keystone Light. And yeah, so maybe the stigma is correct. Keystone is some cheap, nasty beer. Not that I thought it tasted terrible compared to the rest, but it just wasn't as good. So next, I had the second beer at number 4 spot, and that is Bud Light. Wow, the most popular beer in America, I have as the 4th best light beer. So maybe there's something to be said here that just because it's popular and they spend a lot of money on advertising doesn't mean it's going to be the best. So let's see. Number 3. I had number 3. So what is the third best? Coors Light. So the second most popular beer in America is what I had at number 3. And when I do pick up light beer, this is usually my go-to, Coors Light. So I'm kind of surprised to see it at number 3. So that means Natty Light is either 1 or 2. So what do we have left? We have Natty Light and Michelob Ultra. So one is for the healthy cyclist who are in every single commercial, and one is probably the cheapest beer of them all. Let's find out what I had at number 2. Number 2, I had the 5th beer, which is Michelob Ultra, which means the best tasting light beer based on taste alone is Natural Light? What the? I gotta go. I gotta get out. Okay, I don't know what to say. Natural Light is the best tasting light beer out of the most popular light beer sold in America. And yeah, pigs are gonna start flying tomorrow, so there you go. Okay, so that's it for this episode. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe below for all future Dad Hut videos. We'll see you on the next one, guys.